Good day, everyone. I am Ryan from Academia Sinica, National Chengchi University, Taiwan. On behalf of our team, I will be presenting our work titled Pascal Score Estimation using Chromatin Structure and Histone Marks. Chromatin interaction hubs and topologically associated domains have been observed to exhibit higher evolutionary conservation scores. Computational models demonstrated that these hubs and tags possess distinct histone mark characteristics. However, current computational models often face challenges in addressing the high-dimensional nature of multi-omics data and complex interdependencies between various omics layers. In these studies, we aim to investigate the intricate relationship between the genomic features of genomic regions and their evolutionary conservation. For our analysis, we utilized publicly available datasets of Drosophila melanogaster. Genomic annotations were sourced from UCSC Genome Browser. Chromatin structure and histone marks were analyzed using HiC and ChIP data across various developmental stages. For evolutionary conservation, Pascal scores were employed. For each gene in Drosophila melanogaster, we consider the genomic region between its start and end locus. The average Pascal score for the entire gene region was computed. IC and ChIP data were analyzed at a resolution of 5,000 base pair. We pre-processed the HiC data by filtering out chromatin contacts within 15,000 base pairs. Each dataset row contains the gene, its average Pascal score, chromatin contacts at the transcription start site across developmental stages, and histone modification levels. A preliminary analysis of the evolutionary conservation scores and chromatin contacts were performed. Pascal scores were categorized into four groups based on its distribution, with one being the least conserved and four the most conserved. Each genomic pin was labeled accordingly, and chromatin contacts were compared across its groups. Empirical results and statistical analysis revealed that genomic pins with higher Pascal score categories consistently exhibited greater chromatin contacts across different developmental stages. In this study, we proposed a computational model referred to as FastPro. By incorporating spatial and temporal information of genomic regions, we trained the model to estimate the evolutionary conservation scores based on epigenomic features. Among the classification models tested, the random forest classifier achieved the highest accuracy in identifying Pascal score categories. The model remained robust even when the number of categories was increased to 10. For regression tasks, also yielded the highest R-squared score in estimating the Pascal score based on combined IC and GC features. To assess the model's sensitivity, we tested different combinations of features across developmental stages. The model's performance did not significantly change when the features from a single stage were used. We also evaluated the impact of histone mark features on the model's performance. The results showed no significant change when only one histone mark was used. Finally, we assessed the effect of integrating IC and ChIP data in Pascal score estimation. Results demonstrated that combining these features improved the model's performance compared to using each independently. In conclusion, we propose a computational model for Pascal score estimation by integrating spatial and temporal features from high C and ChIP data. Chromatin contact and Pascal score pins are positively correlated. Combining the epigenomic features of a gene can be used to estimate the Pascal score of the genomic region. Random forest-based approach is an effective model in Pascal score estimation. Before I end my presentation, I would like to express our gratitude to the National Science and Technology Council for supporting this research. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have a pleasant day.